Changing your payout method on Behance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Behance website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Go to Payout settings. In the settings menu, look for the Payout or Payment section. Click on it to view your current payout method and other payment options available. Step 4. Update payout method. Choose the option to change or update your payout method. You may need to enter new payment details such as bank account information or PayPal address, depending on the method you choose. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your new payout method is updated. By following these steps, you can successfully change your payout method on Behance. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Behance support for assistance.